Can epinephrine autoinjectors be administered through clothing? First of all, what is an epinephrine autoinjector? An epinephrine autoinjector is a device used to treat anaphylaxis. It contains epinephrine, which is the first-line treatment for anaphylaxis, and it's an auto-injectable form of the medication. So it's a device that, upon activation, typically with pressure, it deploys the medication. So these typically contain one of 3 doses, 0.1 milligrams for kiddos weighing 16.5 pounds to less than 33 pounds, or 0.15 milligrams for kiddos weighing 33 to less than 66 pounds, or 0.3 milligrams for kiddos and adults who weigh 66 or more pounds. So when should an epinephrine autoinjector be used? An epinephrine autoinjector should be used promptly upon recognition of anaphylaxis. And what really is anaphylaxis? Well, anaphylaxis is likely to be occurring when you are meeting these 3 criteria. So the first set of criteria has to include skin symptoms. So that means the skin system is included in some way. The person is having lip swelling or hives, some sort of skin findings, but they are also having symptoms from the respiratory system, or they're having circulatory problems such as a drop in their blood pressure. So in definition number 1 of anaphylaxis, you have to have skin findings. In definition number 2 of anaphylaxis, you don't have to have skin findings, but you can. You can have findings or symptoms from the cutaneous system. You can also have the respiratory system involved, the GI system involved, so vomiting. And then again, you can have that reduced blood pressure. So you don't have to have skin findings in definition number 2, but you have to have findings from at least 2 of these different body systems. And then the third definition is when you have a sudden drop in your blood pressure after exposure to a known allergen. So these are the 3 definitions of anaphylaxis. And when any of these definitions or sets of criteria are met, that's when epinephrine should be used. So can epinephrine autoinjectors be administered through clothing? Yes, they absolutely can. No need to pull down those pants because yes, you can administer these devices through clothing. And quick reminder here, definitely know your device. There are little nuanced differences between all the devices, so talk with your allergist about proper use of the device that's been prescribed to your child. When you have questions, reach out to us. Of course, talk with your allergist. And remember, you can use an epinephrine autoinjector through clothing.